Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get high striped socks on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, you can go to this section and then you can put socks on your feet. Just grab the sock, okay, and we're going to change the toggle to get high striped socks. Wait, I'm going to click on this toggle and then we can click on high striped socks. Okay, and then you can change the color and also the pattern. And I'm just going to choose white color. Okay, and then I'm going to change the pattern. Alright, and this is the result guys. As you can see that my sock has been changed. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to change the toggle to get high striped socks for your avatar. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get high striped socks on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.